Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this bag of peanut M&Ms is sure to make you smile. So if you love M&Ms and you love peanut M&Ms, this is the bag for you. It is the party size bag. It is 2 pounds, 6 ounces, so this should keep you happy for a while. And these are so good. So I love peanut M&Ms because I love the chocolate and the candy shell, but I love that peanut inside to add a little extra crunch and that little bit of extra flavor, and they're just super delicious. So we love to eat these just snacking out of the bag, but they're also great to add to things like trail mix. They're great in baked goods or topping your ice cream. There are so many uses, but no matter how you use these, they're peanut M&Ms, they're gonna be delicious. So if you're looking to stock up your pantry with a good sized bag of peanut M&Ms that you can share with all your friends, then this is the bag for you. I would highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.